CI/CD Pipelines with Jenkins. CI/CD pipelines with Jenkins automate the process of integrating code changes into a shared repository, continuous integration, and subsequently delivering software to production environments, continuous deployment/delivery. Jenkins, an open-source automation server, orchestrates these pipelines, enabling developers to regularly merge code changes, run tests, and deploy applications efficiently and reliably. Lesson 1, Course Introduction. Lesson 2, Continuous Integration and Continuous Delivery with Jenkins. Lesson 3, Getting Started with Jenkins. Lesson 4, CI/CD Pipeline with Jenkins, Gradle and Artifactory. Lesson 5, CI/CD Pipeline with Jenkins and Maven. Lesson 6, Manage Relational Database Schema with Jenkins and Skitch. Lesson 7, Operational Considerations for Jenkins.